Welcome back, loyal subjects. Talking to you about adding and subtracting mixed numbers with like denominators. Going to look at my problem. I've got 2 1/4 plus 1 2/4. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to fill in my 2 1/4. So that's 1 whole, 1 1/4, 1 2/4, 1 3/4, 2 wholes, 2 1/4. Now I'm going to look at my fraction. I've got 2 more fourths I need to add. So that's 1/4, 2/4. And I need to add my 1 whole. So I'm going to look at my denominator, and my denominator is a 4. So I'm going to say, well, what's the equivalent of 1 whole when my denominator is a 4? My answer is 4/4. So that's 1/4. And then we run into a problem here. I need to create another fraction bar. My denominator never changes, so I'm going to split up into fourths. And I'm going to fill in those 3 more fourths because that was how much I had left over. So we had 1/4, there's 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, or 1 whole. Now I'm going to fill in my answer. So I have 1, 2, 3 wholes, and I've got 3/4 of a whole left over. Talking about subtraction of mixed numbers, I start out with 3 2/3 minus 1 1/3. So I'm going to fill in my 3 2/3 first. I'm going to fill that in. That's 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, and 2/3. Now I'm going to look at what I'm taking away. I have to take away 1/3 first. So that's 1/3. I look at my whole number again, and I look at my denominator. So if 3 is my denominator, then 3/3 would equal 1 whole. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3/3. And now I need to write what I have left. Well, I have 1, 2 wholes, and I have 1/3 of the whole left over. So 2 1/3 is my answer. Final thing for today, we had a problem with converting improper fractions when we had an improper fraction in a mixed number. So we're going to work on doing that with regrouping. So I've got 4 4/6 plus 5 4/6. So my denominator stays the same. I'm going to add my numerators first. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now before I add my whole numbers, I'm going to change 8 6 into a mixed number. So I know my denominator is going to stay the same as 6. I'm going to ask myself, 6 can go into 8, how many whole times? Well, 1 whole time. I'm going to bring that 1 whole up. I'm going to regroup it. Now, 1 times 6 is 6, and that's going to leave me 2 left over, which is my numerator. Now, I'm going to add my wholes. I've got 5 wholes plus 4 wholes plus 1 whole. That's going to give me 10 wholes. So 10 and 2/6 is going to be my answer. Or, if you're feeling tricky, you can change 2/6 into simplest form and get 1/3. So that would leave your answer at 10 1/3. All right, I'll see you next time on www.whitegrade3.weebly.com. Have a nice evening.